Naturally, inherently, no surgery. Y'all really thought this was gonna be a different type of video? No, some of y'all need to get checked. We as Black people honestly can't complain too loudly. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be talking about something important. I don't even know how to start this video. Like, I don't even know what to say. Just gonna get right into it. We're gonna be talking about blackfishing and what that means as its definition and what that means for us, like, as Black people. Firstly, it needs to be corrected and debunked that these men and women are not performing blackface. They are not performing blackface. This is not blackface. Blackface originated in the early 1800s, and it was when white people who would wear exaggerated dark face makeup and oversized lips and act out in dehumanizing ways to depict Black people. A lot of people are like, oh well, it's still blackface because they're using it for entertainment and they're trying to pose as Black people and they're trying to make money off of it. It's not the same thing. This, whatever these children are doing, is they're just trying to look cute. It's not working, but that's what they're doing. Nonetheless, this is very offensive and it needs to stop. Fortunately for us, our beautiful generation creates lovely, exquisite expressions and names for everything. So this problem is what we're calling blackfishing. A lot of people are calling it nigger fishing, but that word needs to even be demolished. Blackfishing is when a Caucasian or a person who is not inherently Black take dramatic measures to imitate the authentic physical appearances and features of a Black individual. Not just Black women, Black people. I'm actually very surprised that this topic is being spoken on so much right now, but disappointed that people think this is new. Disappointed that people think this is only involving white influencers. Blackfishing has actually been occurring for a minute. I'm not surprised at all, and I'm very much not surprised that in 2018 it's gone to the extent that it has. As soon as wigs became trendy, as soon as white people started wearing weave, as soon as people started making baby hairs where they didn't need to, as soon as, you know, the little BBLs, the little lip fillers, as soon as the whole melanin word just became a trend, you know, since then, you just have to foresee these things. It's a trend. It's a trend. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. I'm not actually going to analyze the situation surrounding influencers, Emma Hallberg, Mika Francis, who else? Jaden Gumby, Alicia AB, and others of that nature. Like, I'm not going to go in depth surrounding their current situation, but they are under the most heat, especially this one, Emma Hallberg, because she has the largest following, obviously, and then Mika Francis. But it's like, I'm not gonna go into detail. Low key though, come for me or not, Emma, she's matching her face to her neck. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. She's matching her face to her neck. Like, is it just me? I mean, it's very suspicious. Very, very suspicious. I don't think she highlighted enough. So I'm not even gonna get into it, but low-key, this girl uses 332 in that fit me. Did y'all see that? I'm not even 332 in that fit me, so I don't even know. I don't know. I did want to mention a few things. The most argued points right now is that influencers like this who are blackfishing are taking opportunities away from Black people in industries. That's false. That's false. They're not taking it away from us. They can't take from you what you don't have. We don't actually have these opportunities as Black women, as Black people. They don't look for us. They don't look for us. If brands wanted a Black person, they would get a Black person, not a white person, and honestly not a mixed breed either. They would get a Black person and not necessarily a Black person with all the curves and the hips and the BBLs. They wouldn't do that. If they really wanted representation, not only in race but in body types and personality types, they would not search for this commercial image. So these people are not taking from us opportunities. What they're doing is giving these companies an easy way out. Oh, but her hair is curly. Oh, but her skin's tanned. We're not just looking for the white people. You lie. You're lying. You're really lying. We gotta stop letting everybody be black. Stop letting everybody be black. Not everybody who has a wave in their hair is black. You're either black, or you're white, or you're brown, or all the other etceteras, or you're mixed. You can't be black alone if you're mixed. Black and white mixed to make gray. Gray is not black. Gray is gray. And gray means there's a mixture of black and white. I don't understand why there's such a confusion. But because we've allowed so many people to be black, and because as black people we pick and choose who we want. Why do we want Zendaya? Why do we want Zendaya? Why do we claim her so hard? Because she's cute? Because she's pretty? Because she's popular? We claim her too hard. But we won't claim Margaret down the road who has 4C hair but a light complexion. We won't claim her. I don't understand. But because we have, companies look and they're like, oh, they consider that light-skinned girl with the wavy hair black. Okay, let's do that then. Pluck. And they put her in their advertisement and say representation. It doesn't work like that, boo. People want to be black, but they don't want to be black. It's sad that these influencers have been able to get away with these things for so long. Right in our faces. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're all over Instagram. I really hate that white girls are picking and choosing when to accept certain, I don't want to say black culture because apparently that's not really a thing, but low-key, like, there's a little bit of black people culture. Like, we kind of wild, like, as a race. Like, we got some things going on. It's very exhausting when influencers, not only influencers, but white women in general, just, and I'm speaking on women because I'm a woman, when they pick and choose what to take from black people. You're gonna wear the box braids, you're gonna put in the weave, you're gonna wear the big old hoop earrings that were once ghetto, all of that. Like, you're gonna do that now, right? You're gonna get you're gonna try and thicken up because that's a typical black girl thing. But when it's on a black girl, it's ugly. This has cultural appropriation written all over it. This has oppression written all over it. This has superiority written all over it. This has privilege and entitlement and disrespect written all over it. Black people, honestly, we're very much to blame. I know if you want to trace it back to history, then it obviously is like, oh, oppression, and then we wanted to feel included, or we were, you know what I'm saying, mocked and disrespected because of certain things. But now everybody wants to elevate the 3 B's and the 4 A's and a 4B and a wash and go. But nobody, like, you know what I'm saying, like, we're putting certain things at the top of the spectrum, and you can't complain when it comes back on us. You really can't I mean, like, if we're complaining, we could still get mad, but you know what I'm saying, we have to know that we played a part in doing that. We see a chocolate, like a rich chocolate girl in real life walking down the street, we don't think she's cute. Generally, we don't look at her, we don't want to consider her as oh, pretty. But when she's on Instagram with some heavy highlighter standing in the sun, she's a piece of chocolate. She got that cocoa. She got that melanin popping. Her melanin was popping when she was walking down the street. Her melanin was popping without the highlighter, without the yellow top, without the sun glistening on her skin. When we stop praising the girls with the 3C, 4A hair textures, we'll see some resolution. We'll see some progress. But until then, nothing's changing. Nobody wants to have that 4C hair, the bad hair. Everybody wants the good hair, the look of relaxed looking hair, the one that will lay down with some eco styler gel. Honestly, this blackfishing thing is ridiculous and is not new. And we as black people honestly can't complain too loudly. Until you get it right in your household. Until you get it right in your household. You can't complain when everybody looks at your family bad. You can't complain when everybody looks at your race bad. Y'all really thought this was gonna be a different type of video? No, some of y'all need to get checked. 100% racism is there. 100% oppression still exists. 100% white privilege is a thing. 100% not gonna be treated very well by the majority. 100%. I don't even know what this video came out at. Y'all really have to take into consideration everything I said as a collective, because I was here getting mad at black people and here getting mad at white people. So you just got to take it all in its context so you really understand what I'm saying and where I'm coming from. I told you guys I was not going to go into super duper depths. Please continue to check these white girls on Instagram. I'm seeing the comments, I'm seeing the arguments, I'm seeing it, and I'm living for it, because mats need to get checked and put in their place. Like, absolutely not. You're not gonna come and appropriate my culture and my body and my physical appearance and all of that. You're not gonna appropriate it. You're not gonna do it, and you're not gonna disrespect me for having those features naturally. You're just not. Blackfishing needs to stop, honestly. Like, it's gone on for so long, it's gotten to such a point, and it needs to stop. I'm just encouraging my whole black family to keep loving who you are naturally, inherently, no surgery. If you're a black girl, keep popping, keep shining, keep glowing. Don't let them tell you nothing. You beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one.